Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a BEARCAT logo. Now, to start off with this, we're going to start right in the middle of our paper, and you just want to make two little lines that kind of come in at an angle. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw one at an angle like this. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to draw another one just like this. So it kind of looks like two angry eyes. Next, I'm just going to take this line, draw it down, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here to this one. Now what you want to do is you want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve all the way to here. And then same thing here, just kind of curve it all the way to here. And then I'm going to make this a little bit longer just so we can kind of see those eyebrows. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then up at a V. And then two little lines like this. Line that goes down, and then a line that goes down. And a little line that goes down, over, and then up. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to kind of curve to here and then curve to here. So I'm going to start here, just draw a line that's going to kind of curve around. It's going to come up and then over. And then same thing here, just kind of curve it around, go up and then over. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then a line that goes down right here. And then I'm just going to connect it. Now when you add teeth, I like to draw two big teeth on the outside for the fangs, and then I just like to put a few small teeth on the inside. Same thing here, two big teeth and then a couple small teeth. And then just two diagonal lines down with a little line down the center for a tongue. Now right here, I'm going to make a line down and then another line down for the mouth. And then a line is just going to connect right to here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down and then it's going to curve up. And then another line here that goes down and curves up for some fur. Now, on the outside, you want to make a big line that goes up. It's going to go in, up, and then in again. And then same thing here, just go up really tall, in, up, and then in like this. Now for the ears, you just make a big line that curves up, and then it's going to curve down. Another one here, it's going to curve up, and then it's going to curve back down. And then right here at the top, make a big sad face for the head. Now let's add some different details onto here. First, let's make a little curved line here and then a little curved line here for some eyebrows. And then inside this eye, I'm going to draw a half circle here and then a half circle right there. And then I'm going to draw a smaller half circle inside each one. And then I'm just going to color this in. And then do the same thing over here. I'm going to add a couple little curved lines and then a couple more over here for some whiskers. Then I'm going to draw a little line inside each one of these points. And then I'm going to draw the inside of the ear. So to do that, just draw a line that curves up and down. Another one right here that curves up and down. Then just connect each one with a little zigzag line. So just make a little zigzag line inside each one. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bear cat face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.